Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. Today we're going to be diving down into Gi Dao. This is a brand new hot project that a lot of people are getting ready to get in. Now you guys are probably thinking, what is Gi Dao? So let's go ahead and begin. Now Gi Dao technically is a decentralized autonomous organization for global influencers and their fans or investors. They're aiming to become the first and top one MCN platform in the Web 3.0 and the biggest social fi club in the metaverse. They have a massive goal, ladies and gentlemen. If we actually just take a look here, you guys can see where it talks about the GI Founder Pass. The launch date is going to be on April the 27th, which is literally just a few days from now. So we got 2 days and 13 hours. The whitelist mint is going to be at 1 p.m. UTC, and then the public mint is going to be at 3 p.m. UTC. So you literally only have 2 hours, guys. You got 2 hours to get in early before it actually goes public. Now with this project, I want to let you guys know that they are a big family and they are a community who truly believe in the future of Web 3.0 and the metaverse. So if you are a person who is in the Web 3.0 space today, you are early, but most of the people that are in Web 2.0. So we're all wondering the same thing. How can we bridge the gap between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0? How can we bring more people to Web 3.0? And how can we help Web 3.0 project brands find more users? Well, that is a great question. If we go ahead and continue to the downside, you guys can see that there are so many platforms out there. There's so many different influencers. So right now with this program, they currently have a total of 2,029 influencers. They're currently in a total of 32 countries, and they have a total of 201 million followers. That is a massive amount. So talking about connecting from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0, get a listen to their story. So GI, it stands for Global Influencers. The goal of Gi Dao is to get 100K plus influencers on board to build the largest social fi metaverse. Not only that, you guys, but a MCN that are fully democratically managed by our community members, which means they are not centralized. I want to make that very, very clear. That is important. We have already signed with a total of 1,500 global influencers, and now it's time to introduce our GI Genesis NFT, also known as GIGN. There are only 10,000 GIGN on the blockchain. So each GIGN is highly precious asset which represents a lot of utilities and permanent membership of our GI community. So ladies and gentlemen, you guys can actually get a look here of everything that they possibly have to offer. Now, if we go ahead and continue through the website, you guys are going to see their vision. So their vision is very important. So for chapter 1, we got the GIMCN. So GIMCN is a Web 3.0 revenue sharing marketing platform that allows brands and global influencers to complete successful collaborations. Then we got chapter 2, GI Club. GI Club is a NFT-based social platform where members can engage social interaction and communications through meaningful experiences and activities. Then we got chapter 3, the GI NFT Marketplace. GI NFT Marketplace is a revolutionary platform that allows global influencers and artist brands to create and trade a variety of digital artwork along with collectibles. Then we got chapter number 4, we got a GI Metaverse. GI Metaverse is a decentralized virtual reality platform where all community members can create, play, and experience in this virtual place. Now, this is important, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how they are going to connect everyone from 2.0 to Web 3.0. This is big. Okay, if we go ahead and continue to the downside, you guys will actually see for this project that they do have the Genesis utilities. So we're talking about the Genesis NFT utilities. So we have the GI DAO token. This is going to be a total of 13% of GI token airdrops. Then we got early rewards of GI token. Then we got stake NFT to get GI token rewards. Then we got a membership of GI Club, regular scheduled activities in the world, online social and networking events. Then we got a private yacht and mansion parties. I would love to be part of that because I love to party. Next, we have exclusive privileges. So exclusive invite-only influencer events, exclusive perks and activities, VIP groups, and some influencers. After that, we have the early access. So pre-sale allocation of the GI Launchpad, free mint opportunities in GI NFT Marketplace, and free NFT assets in the GI Metaverse. If we dive down into the roadmap, you guys are going to see that this is extensive. They have a lot of things that are planned. So for phase number one, quarter number one, which is technically where we are going to quarter number two, we got raised 1.2 million in pre-seed round. Then we got onboarding a top of 1,000 influencers, website completion. So all of this looks like it's technically been done, or we're working to achieve that right now. Then we got phase number two. We got set up GI Club headquarters in Singapore. We got GI Club member exclusive social activities. We got this person right here on the 2nd of April. Then we got Singapore on the 9th. We got a golf club. Then we have Dubai in June. And then we got Miami, which is going to be at Live Miami. So a lot of big things planned here, especially for the GI Club. Then after that, we got the GI Founder Pass. Total supply is going to be 1,000. The mint date, as stated, is going to be on April the 27th. Phase number 4, we have the GI Genesis NFT. So this is going to be the NFT pre-sale, then public sale. We got onboarding of 3,000 influencers, GI Club community building and growth. Then we got set up 10 plus GI Club branches globally. After that, we got phase number 5 and phase number 6. So we got onboarding of 5,000 plus influencers, launch of GI Influencers NFT Marketplace. For phase 6, we got GI Token and GI DAO. We got GI Token pre-sale, public sale, GI Token airdrops. We got GI Token DEX and CEX listings. We got launch of GI DAO. We got launch of GI DAO Treasury. We got launch of on-chain governance. And we have set up 20 plus GI Club branches globally. After that, we got our phase number 7, then to be announced for it to be continued. So onboarding 10,000 plus influencers, launching of GI Metaverse D app. Then we have set up Metaverse headquarters in Sandbox and Decentraland. And we got set up 40 plus GI Club branches globally. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, this is exclusive, you guys. They have a lot of things that they had to plan. And I'll tell you guys right now, why not better than a social media app? I mean, this is big. Now, if we go ahead and dive down into the influencers, you guys can see that we have a lot here. We have a lot of influencers. If you guys would like to check these out, all you have to do is just click on it and you're actually going to be able to see more. So be sure you guys check out all of the influencers that they have to offer. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a hot project. You can even dive down into the gallery. You guys are going to see that there's so many more things here in the gallery. Not only that, you guys, but if you are a influencer, you are more than welcome to enroll. So if we actually take a look here, you guys will see all of the different people here. Look at this, you guys. Everyone is representing GI DAO. Just get a look at that, you guys. So everyone is on board whenever it comes to this platform. So I imagine that a lot more people are going to be part of this. So it seems like this is going to be an awesome project, I have to admit. Be sure if you guys have not had the opportunity to join them, especially on Twitter, they currently have a total of 18,000 followers. They recently joined in February. Be sure also to join their Telegram group. You guys can see that there's actually a total of about 3,000, 4,000 members, about 150 that are online. So this is going to be awesome, you guys. I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you will, leave some comments down below, especially if you have any questions. Other than that, you guys have a great day. We will see you later, and ciao.